In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to mark order as paid in Shopify on desktop. If you've taken payment for a draft order outside of Shopify, maybe via cash, a bank transfer, or another offline method, this quick process will help you record that payment accurately in your admin so your records stay clean and your fulfillment can move forward. Start by signing into your Shopify admin from a desktop browser. Using a full-size screen makes it easier to review the order details and avoid mistakes. Once you're in the admin, head to the Orders section and then open the Drafts tab. Draft orders are the ones you or your team created manually, often for phone orders, custom quotes, or special cases that aren't completed at checkout by the customer. Find and open the draft order you want to mark as paid. Take a moment to scan the details. Confirm the customer's information, the items, quantities, discounts, shipping, and taxes. This quick review is important because once you mark a draft as paid, it converts to a regular order, and reversing it typically requires refunds or further adjustments. Now, in the Payments section of the draft order, click Collect Payment and then choose Mark as Paid. Think of this as telling Shopify, "We've already received the money outside the system. Please record it." You're not charging the customer here. You're simply logging a payment that happened elsewhere, which helps keep reports and fulfillment status accurate. Before you confirm, check the Amount Received field. If the amount you actually received is different from the total shown, maybe due to a manual discount you applied at the last minute, currency rounding, or a transfer fee, update the Amount Received field so your payment record matches what came in. Accurate amounts help keep accounting tidy and make it easier to reconcile later. When you complete the action, Shopify converts the draft into an order and records the payment as paid. Inventory levels are updated based on the items in the order, and the order becomes ready for fulfillment according to your workflow. If you use tags or internal notes to track offline payments, make sure those are consistent across your team so everyone knows what's been handled. To recap, log into your admin, go to Orders and then Drafts, open the draft you're working with, click Collect Payment and Mark as Paid, and adjust the amount received if it differs. Double-check totals before you confirm, and you'll avoid unnecessary edits later. That's all it takes to mark a draft order as paid in Shopify on desktop.